All right, Darren Wallace here. My wife has asked me to do a video. I didn't really feel like doing it, I'll be honest. But she bought this Hoover Power Scrub Elite Pro. And we're about to do the carpets in the upstairs bedrooms. And we're just going to see what happens and see how good it is. It's supposed to be better than some of the professional carpet cleaners. I'm a little skeptical, be honest, but I'm going for it. So let's see what happens.
And we have 2 cats and a dog, so we really actually need this carpet cleaner. I'm excited about it. It's supposed to beat out the competition, as Darren said. So we're going to start out with the guest room first. You can turn it on, Darren. Let's see where we go with this.
Okay. So a little foot pedal.
You have to press the button or something to release some water or something. Start at that right there, look. Back and forth, they said. Are you supposed to hold the button down the whole time, or? Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so here's the water after we have done 2 passes on the carpet so far.
That's dirty.
Yeah,
That's dirty.
That's dirty.
2 passes on the carpet. That's dirty. So let's see what it really looks like when you pour it out. You're splashing it all over the place. Put it a little closer to because then I got to clean the walls and stuff.
All right. No, that's the wife complaining, but
yeah.
Overall, dirty water.
3 passes.
3 passes.
3 passes. And so there we have it. Darren, so you have anything to say about this?
Overall, I'd say it's a good product. The benefit is that when you rent the machine, generally, at least for me, I've only done it once a year, maybe twice. With this, you can do it once a month, 2 times a month, or once every quarter, and your carpets will remain just as clean. It's just going to, I don't know, for the pricing of the product, I didn't buy it, my wife bought it, and for the cleaner, what was that?
Yeah, we got what was that, 120 ounces of the cleaner? Yeah, we got 120 ounces of the cleaner. I mean, people have been raving about the Hoover. I guess it's the Pet Elite, right? The Hoover Pet Elite, Power Scrubber Pet Elite.
Yeah,
Hoover.
As my wife mentioned, we have 3 pets. We have 2
cats.
2 cats, 1 dog.
And 1 dog. So we're gonna do 1 more carpet in our dressing room, and we'll show you what that carpet looks like. Okay, so we're back. Well, let me show you a spot of the floor, the dirt before. Now let me show you a spot after. So that was the before and after. This works pretty well. It takes some time. You have to go back and forth very slowly It takes time. You hold the button down on the handle to release the solution into the carpet. And you should do that maybe about 5 or 6 times, back and forth with the button down on the carpet. And then release the button and pull the vacuum back. And it, I guess the washer back, and it actually sucks up the water as well as semi-dry the carpet at the same time. So Darren, are you seeing a difference?
In the plushness of the carpet, yes.
Say that again?
In the plushness of the carpet, yes.
Okay. So Darren's going to keep at it for a little while, and we'll show you the finished results and give you a final review. So I moved the couch, and we pretty much finished off the carpet. I think that it looks pretty fantastic, actually. Far better than it did before. So Darren gives the Hoover Power Scrub Elite Pet an A, and I give it an A as well. I think it's a great, if you have carpets in your home, if you have pets, I think that it is definitely a great cleaning tool to have in your home, especially, you know, for the safety, health reasons, allergens, and remove stuff like that. This particular area rug, this is an area rug here. And this particular area rug, we did 3 passes on the area rug, and each time we got dirty water. So here's the water from the 3rd pass. Let's see what this looks like. Darren has taken a break. So this is the water from the 3rd pass, I believe. So we give it an A.